Hi guys, welcome to lecture 5 in the pharmacology series. Today we will be covering topics on cardiovascular. So let's get started. So some of the topics we will be covering in this video include cardiac glycosides, antiarrhythmics, antihypertensive, especially diuretics, antianginal agents, anticoagulants, antihyperlipidemic. So this topic is very boards focused because, and it's also going to be very clinical focused as well, because your patients are going to be on some of these medication or like a combination of these. And so it's very important for us to know which medication goes in which category in the cardiac system, as well as when to prescribe what. And if a person is taking something, you can figure out if they had like an AFib or if they had like a past MI or something like that, just